This challenge is called PcapPoisoning. It's a medium-level challenge from the forensics category from the picoCTF 2023 event. The description says, "How about some hide and seek, eh? Download this file and find the flag." So the first thing we need to do is we need to highlight the word file over here and copy its link. So right-click and then select Copy Link. And then we need to go over to our console and then use the wget command to download the file. So it's wget and then paste in the link and then hit the enter key to download the file. So after it's done, we see that there is this file trace.pcap in our directory. So if we run the file command on it, we see that this file is a pcap capture file. So in order to open it, we're going to use the xdg command along with the name of the file. So it's xdg open trace.pcap. So xdg open is going to use the appropriate program to open up whatever file that you provide to it. And since this is a PCAP file, it's going to use Wireshark to open this. So we see that the Wireshark interface opens up. And we see that there are a bunch of packets in here. There's the source of the packet, the destination of the packet, the protocol that was used, the length, and other info. So what we can do instead of Wireshark is we can search for certain strings inside of the packets. So if we were to search these packets individually, we see that there are about 1,500 packets, and looking through each one of them manually is going to be a big pain. So what we need to do is we need to search through them. So what we can do is we can apply a search function, and we can do that by doing the Control F keyboard shortcut. And that's going to bring up the search window over here. We could also go over to Edit and then click on the Find Packet button over here. So Find Packet is going to toggle this search bar on and off. So we can click on that, and then we can make sure that we're looking inside of the packet bytes, and we make sure that we're doing a string, and we can search for a pattern. So the pattern we're going to search for is the word pico, because pico is the flag prefix for picoCTF challenges. So we're going to click in here, and then we're going to type pico, and then we're going to click on find. So the first result here, so this packet over here has the picoCTF flag inside of its bytes over here. We can highlight the flag and then right-click and select as a base64 string. So what this is going to do is it's going to copy the contents of the flag as the base64 string, and we're going to decode the string and get the flag from the terminal. So click as a base64 string, and then we're going to go over to the terminal, and in the terminal we're going to echo the contents of the string over here, and then we're going to pipe that into base64 decode. So it's echo the contents of the string, and then pipe, and then base64, and then -D for decode. So when we run this, we're going to get the contents of the packet, which include the picoCTF flag. So we can highlight the flag, copy it, and then go over to the challenge page. In the challenge page, in the flag submission field, paste in the flag, and then click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.